Take me to the bridge to break bread, watch the birds go wild. Step up behind me, rest your head by mine, wrap your arms tight around me, let your lips sweep my head, breathe on me, say, glad you found me, won't you take me there? Make me laugh till it hurts, or simply make me smile, like a man I know who lost his spark on his bumpy ride. Now rest my head on your chest, no place I'd rather be. Feel the fire inside, not the blazing kind, but a warm and gentle heat. Take me to the bridge, and I feel just fine. My hand in your glove, save me from the cold, 'cause I left mine behind. Say the craziest things, and still I see the funny side. Take me to the bridge, break me some bread, and watch the birds go wild. Don't say a word if there's nothing to say. Just enjoy the silence in my company today. Now rest my head on your chest, content as I can be. Feel the fire inside, that warm and gentle heat.